How you guys doing? My name is Julio. I'm one of the product specialists here at Hyundai-Volkswagen in Modesto. I'm going to show you guys how to use our level 3 charger. What we have here is the ChargePoint station. This is something that we're going to offer as a complimentary service since they are brand new chargers. After that, you're just going to go ahead and set up a ChargePoint account, and then you can use the charger just the same way. So what we're going to show you how to use today is we're going to show you how to connect it to our 2023 Ioniq 5. This is going to be the full EV vehicle. And then here in the charge port, you're going to go ahead and take off the little plastic cover, and then you're going to use the full charging port, okay? So what we're going to do here is once you've selected the ChargePoint location, you can go ahead and just unhook your gun. You're going to see that it's going to have the full setup there. And bring it right over here. Then just wait for that click and you know it's in. And then you're going to hear your car say that it's charging, or you can see it here on the Ioniq 5. Once it's fully charged, same thing, you go ahead and just unclick it. Just like that, put your little cover back on. You're good to go.